This is a short from my channel last week, and it was fully edited by AI. The captions were written, the B-roll was sourced, the music was done, and all the animations were created by AI. And honestly, I spent around 10 hours fine-tuning a Claude skill to achieve this level of editing. Because I've seen a lot of YouTubers making videos about AI replacing editors, but when I looked at the results, I still didn't really like it. So in this video, I will show you exactly what I did to achieve high-level edits, what the results look like, and how you can actually start using the skill yourself. So make sure to stick around until the end for that. I use Descript to record all of my videos, and my workflow is not 100% Claude. It starts with Descript. So what I do is I put all of my content in Descript. What I can then do is I can select everything. I can go to AI tools. I click on shorten word gaps. I can then make all the gaps smaller. Then I go to AI tools once again and I use remove retakes. Then I go through everything, and within a few minutes, I basically have all the clips cut up for me. What I then do is I do the following. So I go to export and I go to local. I go to scenes and then all the scenes. So what I will then get is I will get every single short. And by the way, this also works for long forms. I will probably edit the intro of this video with this exact skill. But we can click on all scenes and we can start exporting it. And I will now show you what that looks like. 18 files is a bit much to now download just for this video. And I already posted these shorts, so that doesn't really make sense. So let me now go to folder. Right here, you will see all these scenes. So what I can then do is I can go to Claude and I can use my video edit skill and say like, hey, all these videos, 1 to 18, please edit those for me. So I think the start of this workflow is pretty straightforward. We need to get our clips cut up, and those are raw. So I can now show you exactly what it looks like. This is what we start with. $400 million earned by 2 people with AI, and everyone started copying their stack. Telehealth startup, 2-person team. They use ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok for so it is just cut up so that Claude now needs to add animations, zooming effects, following me whenever I say something important, and whatever. So we have these files and we can now go to Claude. What I do is I open a new session and I can just say the following. So we copy the name of this file. We go here and I say, please edit for me. What it then uses is the following skill, and I will show you exactly what that skill looks like. We open that, and as you can see, it is very large. I said 10 hours, but that is really the minimum I put into this. So I really acted like, okay, I'm going to hire an editor, and I'm going to have to teach him every single step in editing. So what I can now do is I can go to Claude. It will then use the skill. It is asking to access my downloads folder. That is fine. It is looking at the video dimensions and the duration. It is transcribing the video, and we can now look at everything that is happening. So we have the transcription right here, and it is now really understanding what the script is about and what are the main messages that we need to make clear. As a really good editor really looks at everything that is said and looks like, okay, for the viewer, what is important to highlight? What do we need to explain better? Very quickly, if you're enjoying this video and learning anything from it, please make sure to check the link in the description where you will learn how to do this like a pro. And it is now checking for logos, as when we're talking about businesses, I want to show the logo of the actual business. And we are talking about the Ozempic wave, and it is now looking for a real wave and GLP-1 pen photos. So it is also fetching real images from the internet, basically like a real editor. And honestly, I've never spent so much time into fine-tuning a skill. I'm really proud of this one. And I will show you in a minute why. So it is not creating every single animation on the spot. It is really using templates that I've fine-tuned already. And that is why the amount of mistakes is very low, as everything is already made in a way that looks good. And here we have the first version, low quality render of the video. As when you render everything in high quality all the time, it takes way longer. Right now, we can just look at this, give feedback, and it will make the video better, but also the skill. So let's just look at it. $400 million earned by 2 people with AI, and everyone started copying their stack. They used ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok for code and copy, and they created an AI customer service. And this really sounds like the future of solo businesses, and it is. But here's the part that nobody's looking at, and I don't get why. They didn't get rich because they used AI. They were selling GLP-1 weight loss drugs. And that is something I really like, that we have the actual images in here. It really shows the proactiveness of Claude. And also, like, I'm just fine-tuning this all the time. So it is getting better and better. And that is just awesome. Like these images right here, everything, it follows me as well. As you can see, my hand movements are being followed. So this is overall already really good. Like we have these graphs right here and we have a subscribe button at the end. What we can then do is we can then go back to Claude and we can say, hey, this is good. And if we had some feedback, we could say like, hey, please adjust this a bit, maybe add an animation like this here. But that is really how you work with an actual editor as well, right? You give feedback on something that is created. But right here, I can now say, this is good. Please render in full quality. So what really happens is we have our raw clip. We then probe, so that is the head movement that is being followed. We then transcribe the whole video and we autocorrect words that don't make sense, as transcribing can make mistakes and we don't want mistakes in our actual captions. And then we polish with AI. So we lay out a plan on how to actually achieve the best possible edit. And then we polish it, then we write the plan. So we have templates that it can choose from, and that is something you can train over time as well. Then we do some final fixes. So when the video starts, we have some flare in the screen and everything is just taken care of by these steps. And then we render, we add music, and we have our finished video. And really think about the scale you can do this on. Like I had 18 shorts and it was all edited in one time. Like that is not beatable. And then if you want to get this skill, you should go to buildloop.ai/prompts/video edit skill and you can just download the skill for free. So make sure to do that as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and then we'll see each other in the next video.